So particle of mass 1.5 kgs is resting in equilibrium on the rough plane surface under the action of force x newtons. We don't know the value of x in upwards. Then the greatest slope of the plane, acting up the line of greatest slope of plane. The plane is inclined at 25 degrees to horizontal. Particle is in limiting equilibrium and on the point of moving up the plane. So once again it is moving upside. Okay, so where will the friction
Yes.
act? Friction will again act in downward direction, right?
Yes.
So this will be the normal reaction. Let's call it as R. Then okay, coefficient of friction is given, that is 0.25. Because he's telling it is in about to move, about to slide upwards, we can directly take it as mu times R. Friction is equal to mu times R. Then weight of the object is 1.5 g, correct?
Yes.
1.5 g it's given here. Then that's it, right? So we have been asked to find normal reaction on the plane. That means R we need to find. So here again, how should we do this? We should take this line as y-axis and then this line as x-axis. Okay.
Yes.
What will be this angle? What will be this angle? That angle will be 25 now.
Yes.
25 degrees. So now take all the forces one by one. So sigma y first. So upward force is R and downward force is how much? 1.5 g into sine or cos. This is adjacent, right?
Yes.
So adjacent means cos or sine. Adjacent means you should take cos. Okay.
Yes.
Opposite means we should take sine.
Sine.
So this is the simple logic which we need to remember. Okay.
Yes.
So because this is adjacent, we need to take cos of angle 25 degrees, correct?
Yes.
Are there any other y components?
No.
No. So total 0. So R equals, everything is known, substitute it, find it. So what do we get? 1.5 times 9.84, 9.81 times cos 25, 13.34 no?
Yes.
So R equals 13.34 newtons, right?
Yes.
Then sigma x. So what are the forces in x direction? So first we have x force in forward direction, so let's take x. Then we have backward force. What is that friction force? 0.25 times R. Are there any other x components? Are there any other x components?
No.
Here, this is inclined now.
Yes.
So you will get vertical and horizontal, both components for that, right?
Yes.
So we are now finding horizontal. So my x component, what will be x component? Now we are going opposite now.
Yes.
Opposite means sine no?
Yes.
1.5 g into sine of 25, correct?
Yes.
And this is acting in positive or negative? Opposite to x now?
Yes.
So because it is opposite to x, this should be minus. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
So that's the thing. So this total should be 0. Then R value is known. We can substitute it here and find x. So 0.25 times 13.34 plus 1.5 g sine 25. So find it. Point 0.25 into 13.34 plus 1.5 into 9.81 to sine 25. 9.55. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here?
No, sir.
X value we found. So B bit is also found. The first bit, A bit answer is here. B bit answer is here. Okay.
Yes.
Next,